What's going on? Just a quick update video this week. Not doing anything crazy. I still got to get the software and everything set up in the data center. I just haven't made it back over there yet. I'm going to be ordering a new server probably next week. I don't know exactly when, but that'll be done soon. Then I can finish rebuilding when I need to rebuild here, because my cameras are still running on my desktop and it doesn't work very well. It works though. It gets the job done. It'll be fine for another, couple weeks till I get another server. So that's fine. And update on the relay house. I actually talked to the owner over there, and he said that not only did they get broken into, they got broken into 3 times. The third time, they actually showed up with a moving truck. They were going to take everything out of the house, like appliances and the works. Luckily, though, that time the cops were there. So, all these pieces of shit took off running. Because that's what they do, scatter like cockroaches. But they did catch one guy, and hopefully he flips on his buddies and they end up catching all these guys, because people that do this kind of shit, I have no sympathy. Because these people didn't just break into a house to steal some shit. That's bad enough. They actually broke in once, then the insurance company put a gate, like a fence around the house to protect the property. They came back and cut the lock off the gate and broke in again. Then they came back the third time with a truck to take everything. I have no sympathy. None. Hang them by their toenails. I don't care. It was 4 guys. The guy that they caught is right here. That's Jesus Sierra. This guy. On top of all that, not only did they have all these break-ins and shit happen, the insurance company is... Oh my God. They said that expected move-in date is mid-October. What? This shit, no joke, could probably be fixed in like a couple days. Mid-October? What? I actually told the owner, I'm like, man, you need to get a lawyer, because this is just, oh my God, that's terrible. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to be running off that extension cord for a while. Just hope it lasts that long, because I didn't really expect it to be that long term of a solution, but I don't know. There's nothing else I can do, really. I'm thinking about putting together a small little solar system for it, but where it is and how it's set up right now, I don't really think that I have the space to do that. Kind of. I'd have to get new mounts and all kinds of stuff, or build a separate mount for the panels, or I don't know. I could probably hack and slash something together, but if I was going to do that, I'd want it to be a bit more permanent, because I do need a redundancy built in anyway. I do need some type of failover system, so when things like this happen, I won't lose power. I'll probably do that eventually, but not right now. Right now, I'm stuck on extension cable. Also, went out selling yesterday. Went out and basically just knocking on doors like, hey, you want some internet? Got a couple of people interested, so that's good. Got one of my subscribers fixed or whatever. Their antenna wasn't quite high enough to get across or get over the trees across the street. So moved their antenna yesterday. They're up and running. They're pulling a solid 50-ish megs now, which is awesome. So everybody that's on the network so far is really happy. They're loving it. I'm loving it. It really does work very, very well. I can game on it. You can do video chats and all kinds of different stuff, low latency, stuff that requires low latency, because I'm only getting 5 millisecond ping. It is baller. So everything is working really, really well. Just got to get some more subscribers now, because paying this monthly connection cost kind of sucks. But hey, all in time. Hoping to get these couple new people hooked up, and those are different areas of the neighborhood as well. Hopefully, once they're hooked up and, they like it and everything, they'll spread the word. One guy in particular actually said he knows all of his neighbors. There's a whole bunch of houses by him, and he knows them all, has all their cell phone numbers and hangs out with them. And so once he's hooked up and liking it and everything, I'm pretty confident that he'll spread the word. The other house too, there's 3 or 4 houses by him, and he knows his neighbors real well too. I think it'll probably spread there too, but the one house I'm really looking forward to getting hooked up, because he seems to be somewhat well connected in the neighborhood, and he has CenturyLink and it's garbage. He He actually said one of his neighbors got satellite and was super pissed because they didn't tell him that they throttle. The way satellite works is, yeah, you can get reasonably good connection speeds, like bandwidth wise, but they limit you to 50 gigs a month. At least the plans that I saw was 50 gigs a month. And as soon as you go over that, which if you're streaming stuff can take just a couple days, at my old data usage rates or levels or whatever, I was using right around a terabyte a month. I did the math and I would blow through that 50 gig limit in 2.5 days. Well, they didn't tell him that, and he went over the limit and they throttled him down to nothing. So he's super pissed at the satellite company now. I'm sure he would love my service. Once word makes it over to him, I'm sure he'll ditch the satellite and come on board with my stuff, because I don't limit anything. You can do whatever you want, as long as it's legal and doesn't get me in trouble. But yeah, that's about it. Not a whole lot going on this week. I kind of had some other stuff going on, and, you know, I've been working nonstop on this crap lately, and it's one thing after another. I mean, the fire at the relay house, and then my antenna installer gets in a car accident. Guy rear-ended him. He was on the freeway going like 50, pulling a travel trailer, and some dude, I don't know how, rear-ended him going like 90 and destroyed his travel trailer. I'm like, man, bad things need to stop happening. It's always something. Damn you, Murphy. So until next week, I'll have some more interesting stuff next week. Gonna try to go back to the data center and finish up the software side of stuff there over the next week. And this week just went by really fast. I don't know why. It was like blink of an eye, it was gone. So I'll bang that out next week. Get the new server ordered. I'll show you guys all that. That's going to be the new Unraid server, or I should say another Unraid server, because I'm keeping the other Unraid server. Yeah. On and on we go. Until next time. Later.